bring all that drama, bring drama, with my girls in the back, girls in the back. Drama, with drama, with my world in the back. Now let's see the drama in the drama. Bring all that drama, bring drama, with my girls in the back, girls in the back. Drama, with drama, with my world.
We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone.
The story Psyche is so beautiful that the jealous goddess Venus commands her son Cupid to make her fall in love with an unworthy man. However, Cupid falls in love with Psyche himself. Concerned about Psyche's lack of suitors, her parents consult the oracle of Apollo. They are told that Psyche's future husband is a monster and that she must be abandoned on top of a mountain. Cupid visits Psyche only at night and forbids her to make any attempt to see him. Psyche is curious about her lover's appearance and fearful after her two jealous sisters convince her that Cupid is a serpentine monster.
Yes, Psyche, needless nothing what a society is ugly. Poor little Psyche. This thing you will really love
Urged on by them, she conceals a lamp and knife in her bed chamber. Psyche illuminates his beautiful figure with the lamp, but a drop of hot oil accidentally wakes him. Angrily, he flies off with Psyche clinging desperately to his ankle. Psyche tries to drown herself, but Pan tells her to win back Cupid's love. Venus sets Psyche a series of increasingly difficult tasks, including getting a box from Hades, the god of the underworld. She was ordered not to open it. However, she disobeyed and causes her death. But
before we start our next one, please welcome our teacher of arts, Mr. Linus Bernal. You may introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Darius, and I hope to impress you all.
Okay, class, today we're going to tackle about the most famous Greek mythology, story. Cupid and Psyche, whose story ends tragically. And God must find knowledge about it and what? Yes, it's Trina. It is about a forbidden story of a mortal love inside him. But towards but Psyche managed to achieve that.
So you're Psyche, aren't you, Celestina? You and Cupid shall not meet unhappy ending.
Love is time. He's been waiting for you.
What was that? What was I saw? Cupid? Venus? Psyche? And who's that voice?
Love is time.
Who's that? For so long, you're coming along. Sleeping. Your Celestina and your Psyche. Nurse! Nurse! Cupid! Cupid! Cupid!
Oh, my dear Cupid, how long have you been waiting for me, my love? Thank you.
There you are, Sai. I know you're here. Are you okay? Yes, I am. Do you need something? No, but I need you. That's it. Huh? Oh, is there something wrong? I'm good, but you know what? I did a little research about this guy named Cupid. And what? So tell me. Please tell me. How can I tell you when you're not sorry? Now, still. Okay. Is it him?
No, it's not him.
I'm sorry.
So, please, what is your fault? I just really want to find him and be with him again.
We've been friends for so long, Celestina. I know that you will wait for us. I will find you, and I will help you for that.
Thank you.
Celeste, I met an old woman earlier, and she told me that I have to find this guy named David. Apparently, he is my soulmate, and this David guy has connection with Cupid.
Wait, what? Where's the old woman and Cupid? You know Cupid?
At first, I really didn't want to believe it, but my memories keeps on appearing, as if it was memory from my past life. I need to find David Ate. And besides, if we find David, then we can find Cupid as well. I know that you're psychic, right?
Why would you want to find that David?
Ate, he's my soulmate. And just like how you're waiting for Cupid, I feel the same.
Yara, I understand, but there's more to it. Maybe Venus may hinder you too.
But if I will not find him, who else will?
Fine, then I guess we have to help each other.
You said that Cupid always go here, Ate Celeste. Do you think we will find him here?
I hope so, Yara. I'm gonna try my best to find him, but things may happen.
What's that smell, Ate Celeste? It smells so sweet.
Oh, it makes me feel dizzy.
Venus, it's Venus. You're looking for us. You will never find it. Ate Celeste! What are you doing, Bella? And I'm going to like you for my son. Trina, you foolish princess. I will find him, Bella. I won't stop. But you can find him when you're dead. Cupid. You stop calling me son's name. Cupid.
It's my wife. Yeah. That's enough, mother.
Yupin! Where's David?
Go, find him.
Where's Cupid?
He's fighting with Daniels.
I'll go help him.
It's mine, originally. You're just obsessed. Stop being so delusional.
Choose. Surrender, or I kill your best friend.
Let him go.
Don't listen to Cupid. Do what you need to do.
Mother, enough already.
This will not be over until she's dead.
I will take her back, even if it means I'll fight you.
Celestina,